students, this video will help you understand the layout of the keyboard, including the groups of 2 black keys, the groups of 3 black keys, and the letters that we use to identify the white keys using the music alphabet ABCDEFG. This lesson corresponds with page 6 and 7 in the Bastien book. However, you don't necessarily need the book to be able to do these exercises. So the first thing we're going to do is find the different groupings of black keys. That helps you orient yourself on the keyboard. So first I'm going to take my left hand, I'm going to use fingers 2 and 3, and I'm going to play the groups of 2 black keys going down. And you hear that as you move to the left of the keyboard, the sound gets lower. Now I'm going to use fingers 2 and 3 in the right hand and go 2 black key groups moving up the keyboard. And you should just do those exercises until you can very quickly find these. Okay? Then the next exercise, now we'll look at the groups of 3 black keys. So for this, we'll use our middle 3 fingers, which is finger 2, 3, 4. So I'll do the right hand first, as they do in the Bastien book, finger 2, 3, 4. And now I'm finding the groups of 3 black keys. You could also play them one at a time, like this, and start getting your fingers independent. Okay? And again, notice as I'm going to the right, the sound is getting higher, right? This is high, this is low. With my left hand, finger 2, 3, 4, I'll start high, and I'll move down. Also play those separately. However you want to practice it, just so that you feel like you can find those very quickly. Now, to identify the white keys, we use these groupings to help us find where we are on the keyboard for the white keys. Otherwise, it kind of looks all the same. So I'm going to start by using the 2 black keys to help me find middle C. This is middle C. So as mentioned, we only use the first 7 letters of the alphabet to identify. And if you have a full 88 keyboard, I know you can't quite see it on the video, it starts with A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. Just repeating those same letters over and over. And that's a universal musical language. That's how we identify the notes, no matter what instrument you play. So, but since we tend to play in C position first on the keyboard, it's really helpful to find that middle C right there to the left of the 2 black keys. So you can practice finding the 2 black keys and then find your C. Okay? And then from there, you can deduce where everything else is, right? So if this is C, then the next letter is D. This is E. C, D, E. C, D, E. C, D, E. E, D, C. E, D, C. Okay? Then let's look at the white keys surrounding the group of 3 black keys. So this was C, D, E. So now that's F. So F is to the left of the 3 black keys. F. F, 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 okay? And then you continue up from there. F, G. There's no H. We circle back to A, B. F, G, A, B. You want to be able to say your alphabet forwards and backwards so that you can play up and down in the piano. So this would be B, A, G, F. All right, so in the Bastien, they have some great exercises just to quickly find all of these. So for example, you want to see if you can find all the A's, so you can just practice with any finger, any hand, looking for A's, finding the B's, C's, etc. Okay? So practice all of these keys And you could work with a friend, have a friend just pick a letter between A and G, and then you see if you can find it as quickly as possible. And that way you'll feel really comfortable with the geography of the keyboard and be ready to play. Thanks for listening.